Hey there, facing issues with your Cash App crashing unexpectedly? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through some simple and effective methods on how to fix Cash App crashing so you can get back to managing your finances seamlessly. Step 1. Update your app. Firstly, one of the most common reasons for app crashes is outdated software. To ensure you have the latest version of Cash App, head over to your device's App Store. For iPhone users, open the App Store. For Android, open Google Play Store. Search for Cash App and see if an update is available. Updated versions often come with bug fixes that can resolve crashing issues. Once updated, try reopening the app to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to clear out glitches causing apps to crash. Turn off your smartphone completely, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. This helps in refreshing your device's memory and can often solve minor software conflict. After rebooting, launch Cash App again to check if the crashing issue has been resolved. Step 3. Check storage space. Running low on storage can cause apps to crash. To check available storage, for iPhone users, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. For Android, visit Settings, Storage. If you're at or near capacity, make some room by deleting unused apps, photos, or other non-essential files. Adequate storage ensures smoother app operation. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Over time, accumulated app cache can lead to performance issues. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Cache App, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. iPhone users may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. If simply clearing the cache doesn't work, consider clearing the app data. Remember, clearing data logs out your account, so be ready to sign back in. Step 5. Check for device OS updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as system updates often contain important security and performance improvements that can affect app stability. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Software Update. Install any available updates and restart your device to see if this resolves the issue. Step 6. Reinstall Cash App. If none of the above methods work, try reinstalling Cash App entirely. Uninstall the app from your device, restart your phone, and then download it again from your app store. Reinstallation can often fix more complicated bugs that cause apps to crash unexpectedly. Experiencing Cash App crashes can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you'll hopefully resolve the issue quickly. From updating the app and clearing cache to checking storage and system update, each step is designed to tackle common problems with casual ease. If you've tried everything and are still facing issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for more specialized help. With this guide on how to fix Cash App crashing, you'll be back to managing your finances in no time. Happy caching.